Jumping right into this video, we are using the Mielle Organics Mongongo Oil Hydrating Cream Deep Conditioner. We are going to be using the steamer, and we're going to sit under here for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now for this protective style, I did use the Aztec Indian clay mask before I deep conditioned. I like to follow these steps, especially when I am doing a protective style and I am going to be using direct heat. I will be blowing my hair out with a comb attachment. After rinsing out the deep conditioner, I am applying TRESemmè Naturals Heat Protectant all over my head first. I just want to saturate my hair really well. And now I am using avocado oil. It's very light and moisturizing, and it won't weigh my hair down too much. As you can see, I've already detangled the other sections. I have 4 sections, and I'll split it in half, each section in half, and detangle the bottom and then detangle the top. Now that this section is detangled, I am going to split it in half and clip the top section away. Now at this point, it is okay to start combing from your root to the ends because your hair is already detangled. This will be the only time you are allowed to do this. And yes, I said allowed. You want to make sure that you are continuously holding the hair because our hair is very curly. It wants to revert. The curls want to revert. So you want to hold it at the bottom with light tension just to make sure that our hair is staying straight and controlled. As I'm finishing up the last section, you guys can see that I put Bantu knots on the other sections just so that my curls won't revert. Now that my hair is all blown out, it is time to part. So we are going to use our rat tail comb and we are going to part a little below from ear to ear. And you guys can see I have a mirror in front of me and a mirror behind me to help me part my hair very precisely. Here you see me using the Shine and Jam in the yellow container. This is to help me create very neat partings. Now I will be parting my hair to make medium-sized squares or boxes for the box braids. I'm still using the Shine and Jam to make clean partings. And I'm going to grab a rubber band. And you guys, make sure you be careful on the nape of your neck. You don't want to do it too tight. You don't want to get any bumps. going to continue this method for the rest of this section, and then you also have 2 sections in the front, and you'll do the same exact thing. For this style, we will be using the African Collection Xpression braiding hair. Make sure that you do not get the pre-stretch. You want it blunt cut because we are doing medium box braids with a blunt cut bob. I used about 4 packs for this style. For each pack, I cut it in half one time. Now, this isn't really me teaching you, it's me just showing you how I braided my own hair. As you can see, I am applying Shine and Jam as needed to make sure I smooth and tuck my hair. When I get to the desired length that I want, I am going to grab my rubber band and wrap it around until the rubber band gets tight. I'm going to continue doing this to the back row, and then I'll come back and let you see how I cut them. Now we are finishing up. This is the last braid, and I wanted to show you guys this in real time. Notice how I flipped the braid so that I can continue braiding it neatly. Now this is comfortable for me in the way I braid. That's why I flipped it around. But as you can see, I added more shine and jam because this is my bangs, so this part of my hair is shorter. But you can see that I am tucking my hair, and I'm also using slight tension just so that the hair will not come out of the braid. Since this is a symmetrical style, you can use the other braids as your guide to see where to add the rubber band and to cut the hair. If you have made it to the end of this video, I want to thank you so much for watching. And if you're worried about how stiff the braids look, do not worry. Just get some boiling hot water and dip the ends, and then take a hot towel and go over your braids with it. It will relax the hair. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that you are informed of my next upload. Thank you.